Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am excited to share with you this tactical pouch. I absolutely love these, and I buy these for photo gear. Now, I bought this one particularly for my new Osmo Action 6 camera with a grip, and I needed something to slip in and out of it. So I love this one because it's the perfect size for that, but you can use it for a variety of different reasons and gear. It did come with this flag that you can put on top here, so there's Velcro here. There are some little loops on the front here. You have a front pocket, you have another front pocket, and then inside this will open all the way, and you have a back slot pouch and a front slot pouch, and then your main compartment. And then on the back you do have some clips that you can put onto a belt. You have some loops here and some loops here. It is water resistant, which is fantastic. And again, I use this for my camera so that I can just slip it in like that and it fits perfectly. And the other reason I bought it is because I have a longer grip that I use, and I can put it in and I can zip it to where it still hangs out and I have easy access. Plus I can put extra gear in the front and carry everything very handy. Absolutely love it. Again, it's water resistant, and I hope this helps you out making your buying decision. One thing you do need to know is size, because I always find that very hard to find the exact size. So this is roughly about 5 inches wide and about 7.5 inches tall. There you have it. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!